everyone, welcome back. For today's tutorial video, I will be teaching you how to curve text in Canva. First, let's hop into canva.com. Now create a design. Choose what design template you want, or you can simply create a custom one. For this video, I'll be using this kind of design. Then next, I'll be adding a text by tapping the text button on the toolbars on the side. Now choose the text format that you want. For this, I'll be using this heading. And then type the text that you want. Now edit your text by adjusting the text font, color, and etc. Now tap the text box and select the effects option above. Scroll down and tap the curve button under the shape section. Adjust the slider below and switch the style of the curve to your liking. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.